Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I really don't know what I'm gonna call this video. It's either gonna be like a week-long vlog or either like a prep with me, even though I'm not, well, not prep, but like a glow up, because I'm getting my lashes done, I'm getting a facial, I'm getting my hair done and my nails done. But yeah, I'll just see how I feel, like if I end up recording everything this week. I don't know. Right now I'm getting ready to go to my nail appointment. It's at 12:45. It's probably about 12 right now. But yeah, later today, one of my friends from freshman year, he's coming back, so we're gonna have like a little game night or something to celebrate like him being back or whatever. And I'm probably gonna go to the beauty supply store too, because I need to get this braiding hair for my hair appointment. I'm really trying to figure out, do I want to put on lashes today? I'm really not feeling lashes, but it looks like I probably need to put some on, but I don't feel like it. So I've been giving lash extensions for probably about like a year straight. When I try to put on strips, they just don't look right on me anymore. Like I used to be in love with strips, wear strips every single day. I don't know, they look kind of crazy on me now, so I don't like wearing them until I have my lash appointment. And I also like getting back used to what my face looks like without lashes. If you get lashes a lot, or if you wear like strip lashes a lot, you know, once you see your bare face, like you start looking crazy to yourself. So yeah, I like to give my face a break sometimes so I can get back used to what my bare face looks like without them. But I'm gonna just put some mascara on. Do y'all blow dry out hair before y'all put it in a bun? I have to, because I swear like my blondes be so flat and ugly if I don't do that first. It should be good enough now though. I really just like the fullness I get when my hair is dry before I put it in a bun, because if not, it's gonna look crazy and it's gonna be too long, so it's gonna look like a bun. Yeah, low-key, I'm feeling it down today. I should have put in a bun. I don't know. Is it giving bun or is it giving down? Let me put it in the bun and see. I don't know, I'm still feeling bun. So one bun. I'm over here asking y'all, like y'all can be able to reply to me in a timely manner. Okay, now we look good. Now I just need to put on my earrings. Am I the only person, like when I sleep, I lose my earrings, like all of them? I don't even think I sleep that well for my earrings to come out every single night. This shit is ridiculous. I need to find a bag for my earrings that never come off, because I'm tired of having to re-put in my earrings every single day. That is annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna put this scarf on until it's time for me to leave the house. But I'll see you guys either when I get into the car or once I get to my nail appointment.
But I was beating hoes up and knocking bitches out their shoes. These is fake. I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but my hair is back ginger. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a very impulsive person. I impulsively dyed my hair jet black. I had my ginger, and I really did want my hair jet black. My hair is bleached, so I would have to keep re-dyeing it like every couple weeks, and I know that was gonna get on my nerves, so I just went back ginger. Because when the black starts to fade, it turns green, and my hair ended up being mint fucking green. Oh my god, my hair was literally mint green. I tried to lighten it. It took me, I lightened my hair my own 3 times and it still didn't look. And then I had to go get my hair done, try to see if like professionals could do it for me, and they had to lift it 3 more times, and it was still a tad bit green like when I first got the ginger on, but that ended up finally fading out after like maybe like 2 washes since I dyed my hair back. But yeah, my hair is back ginger, and I honestly did miss the ginger, but I wanted jet black as well. But I'ma just ride the ginger out until it grows out, and then I'm gonna go back jet black. But yeah, I learned my lesson. I'm gonna stop being so impulsive, especially with like cosmetic stuff, because it's too many risks. So y'all, I'm back. Well y'all, let me tell you what I did. So when I booked my appointment, I only booked for a colored powder set, and somebody ended up booking right after me, and I forgot to book my freaking design, so I just got basic white nails. But yeah, just wanted to let y'all know on the dumb shit I did today. But yeah, my shop is really nice, so it's all good. Yeah, I think right now I'm about to order me some food from Gilliam Sisters, and then while I'm waiting for that to get done, I think I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store because I need to pick up some hair products, and also I need to get the braiding hair for the braids, so I'm getting them. I ain't finna be without no bitch, thought she mine too. I hate people be in the middle of 2 lanes. Move out the way. I'm sorry, y'all. I low-key got road rage. Nah, high-key. Like, if you ever rode in the car with me, like, I be yelling at every car. I don't know. I just feel like everybody should learn how to drive, and then maybe I wouldn't have road rage. It's not my problem. It's their problem. Maybe I know how to drive. But no, seriously, like, I feel like my road rage is bad when I'm back home. But in Tallahasse, this 10 times worse. Like, people drive crazy back home, but here they literally cannot drive. Like, I don't know who the fuck get these people a license, but they need to take that back ASAP. I'm gonna start running by these people's car. I paid the fine, gave that I'm between the lines. I know she didn't wanna fuck cause I'm rich now. So the girl said I need 4 bundles of my hair. Thank God these comes in pack of 3 because I want to get extra anyway because I'm getting extra length and I have a big head. So she's probably gonna need more than 4 anyway. I think I'm gonna get 30. Y'all think 30 match my hair? Yeah, I think that's gonna be good. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. I look a little cute today. Some slight. Yeah, so I got my food. There's a cornbread on the side. And then I got mac and cheese, greens, chicken wings, and there's some rice up under here, but oh yeah, and then rice. Yeah, I can't wait to get home. I'm finna tear this food up, like, oh my god. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, right now we about to go to a game night. What the heck, Gabby? Hey. So yeah, next time you see me, I'm probably gonna be drunk. Have y'all ever tried these? Yeah, the last time I drank this, I don't remember the rest of the night. Like, I drank this the pregame. I was drunk before we even got in the party. We at the party now. I drank some of my Buzz Balls and I'm feeling a little good.
Migos. Hey, you two channel? Migos. We locked in, twins.
Shit.
Migos.
Boy, this is something else. Okay, y'all, shot 1. I never make it to I don't know where I be. She said some color. She said 7. I promise she said 7. One pop.
Yeah, you right.
Yeah, welcome to the Lyssa vlog. Right now, we're taking shots. Right now, hey y'all, it's the next morning. Right now we're about to go to the liquor store and get some champagne, some orange juice, and have mimosas at the pool. Yeah, I'm waiting on Gabby slow to come on. She said she was ready 10 minutes ago. Yeah, this belly suit is giving. This is from Shein, and its cover up is from Pretty Little Thing. And lashes on 300. So yeah, get into it. Good job, we made it to the pool. We got some drinks. Ways. Keep it on us.
What's up, y'all? Be safe, man. I miss y'all. I know y'all remember last time with me, last episode. I'm an alcohol. That's so new, y'all. Hey, y'all didn't know that. Big H, man. You know what I'm saying? I love Lyssa though. They're my dog. We like, oh, they can't still play. Yeah.
Whoever finishes last has to do something. Okay. this crappy crap. Oh my god. So yeah, we somehow ended up coming bowling, but it's loud music in here, so I'm probably not gonna be recording a lot, or I'm gonna turn the sound off because I'm not trying to get demonetized. We only came bowling because they're trying to bid. Hey, none of them bowled though. Of course, me and Gabby done got shots. We some fucking alcoholics. Oh well, we young. Good morning, y'all. It is Sunday, and right now we're getting ready to go to brunch. Obviously, we ain't been inside all week. Yeah, I swear to God, we don't plan this, but we end up matching every time we go out. That is so weird. I swear to God, they will talk about 2K for 3 hours. All right, let's talk about something else. Let's talk about... Yeah, so we got bored and we decided to grill.
And we finna grill.
What?
You just said that?
This man drunk.
Ooh, boy.
We got the lick on us. Yeah, I know. And we got the buzz balls. We didn't kill them though.
That buzz ball some serious, I'm telling y'all boys. I feel great.
God damn. Hey, how many of y'all give me the just jump in the pool right now?
I give you $10. Me too. I ain't really thinking about it. Bruh, the buzz ball got him thinking.
Yeah.
But I should know how to feel.
Hey, when y'all had y'all first kiss? Well.
Oh, you up? Yeah. Hey y'all, it's Memorial Day now, so we're on the way to PCB. Hey vlog, I'm drunk already. It's 2 o'clock and I'm drunk as shit. Yes, sir. Y'all, look at this. This shit is big.
Subscribe. We lit.
Hey, vlog. Hey. Wait, hey, vlog. Wait. Not today.
Yo, we on the vlog. PCB with it. You know what's coming. You know the vibe. You know the vibe. Bro, right here, fucked up.
Yeah, man, we out here, man. PCB, got the big A's, man. You feel me? We got DJ West. We finna hold the block down. Conklin going crazy, man. Conklin going crazy.
So as y'all can see, I never got to finish my vlog at the beach because I didn't know that sand can fry your camera. I looked up after and it said that sand and salt can fry your camera. So that's why I never got to finish that part of the vlog, but it was fun. I had a little bit too much fun, but fuck it, I'm young. But I did end up getting my lashes done. They look really good, but as you can see, my hair is still not done and I didn't get my facial yet. So that's coming soon after this. I don't know if y'all could tell in the last few clips, but you can actually see my lens like closing up more and more. I did not notice that. I guess I was too lit. I didn't even notice that my lens was fucked up. Like, it was bad. Yeah, so it's fixed. So yeah, and I want to talk about that. But yeah, right now I'm on the way to the gym. You can probably tell because I look a little, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym, then I'm gonna come back, probably cook me some food. If the gym's not packed, then I'll probably record just a little bit, just so I can see like the type of stuff that I do while I'm at the gym. But yeah, I'll see you guys once I get there. It's just me, or maybe it's y'all too, but I get anxiety when I go to the gym, especially like when it's a lot of people. I be feeling like people looking at me, especially if I'm recording. Like, I be feeling like it's already people staring at me to begin with. So then I start recording, then we like double people staring at me. So I did record a little bit of the workout I did today. Yeah guys, I'm about to take a shower, so I'll see you guys once I get out and I'm about to cook. Hey y'all, so right now it is 12:28. I have a hair appointment at 1:05. The place is only about 15 minutes away. I'm sitting in the car right now because I'm trying to figure out if I should go to the store and buy another jam, because for her you're supposed to bring your own. I'm trying to see, like, is it enough or not? I'm really not sure. This is how much is left in there. I don't know if y'all can really tell. It's like to right here, so it's about half left maybe. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go to the store and get a new one, because I don't want to go up there and she be like it's not enough, she start tripping or something. I don't know. I feel like it should be enough because I'm only getting straight backs. You know what, I think she'll be okay, because she used half of this for some knotless braids. I know you need more jam for knotless braids than you do straight backs, so I think we'll be okay. Yeah, I'm excited to finally get my hair done. I love my natural hair, but it's just very tedious to keep up with. Okay guys, so this is the end result of my hair. It came out so cute. I was really scared to try this hairstyle because my head is so big, but it ended up coming out really cute on me. And my hair still look big, but it look cute. Y'all, I really hate sitting to get my hair done. Like, I just be wanting to drop my head off and come back and it be done. Like, I just hate sitting there. Not even just my hair, like lashes, nails, anything. I just be wanting to drop it off, come back and get it. But it was worth it. It didn't take as long as I thought. It took about 3.5 hours, I want to say, maybe just 3. I thought it was gonna take longer than that because I have really thick hair and a big head, so I thought it was gonna be longer than that. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and like, comment, if you're not already subscribed to, and also turn on your post notification bell. I'll see you guys next time.